Today I am going to explain the ninth experiment of Web Technology Lab. Our aim is to check the availability of the user in the database using Ajax and PHP. So in the first page we have a form where the user enters his username and password. When the on blur event, it goes to the function check user. In check user, request object is sent and the URL of the server is given, and then the request object is sent and a response is sent back, and we check the availability of the response, and then we print the response to the development named tell, which is a development that we have created, which has the ID 10 here. And then we go to the other PHP file. In second.php we retrieve both the values, the username and the password, and then we make a database connection. Here we have the local host and the username and password. Then we have the database name registration. Now if the username is not equal to null, we execute the command select star from users by username like input. So whatever the result, we store it in the result variable. If input is not equal to null, we fetch the array, we fetch the result array, and then we print it on the screen. If this is equal to null, then we say that the username does not exist. Username does not exist. If it is not there, then we say that it already exists. Then we close the connection. When we run this file, now I can enter my name. Username does not exist, which means I am not registered again, and then I can register. So in the database, this is the database that I created, registration. It has a table users. Now I entered a new value to the database, so it will reflect in the table. So now we have the new value in the table. So now if I type again, and when I go to the next event, it will say that the username exists because it is already in the database.